tell me what I need to do. I appreciate it. All right, thanks. How you doing, guys? Chris with Dentless Touch, back again with another Paintless Dent Repair video. Today we have a 2014 Honda Civic, and we have, this is a high strength steel door, and we have about an 8 to 9 inch crease right there on the rear right door. So let's get started with the repair. I'll just talk to you, probably record. So we're using the Stucky window wedge. It's pretty much been a staple when we're wedging these windows. It's a great product. This is the Dentcraft hook tool. I've had this tool for probably about 12 years, so best bang for the buck tool out right now. And to start this off, we are going to wrap it up with some Tessa tape and start moving majority of this dent fairly quick. So let's see how this is moving right now. This is a high strength steel door, so we're gonna really see how this metal moves. I would say not too bad on this door. Minimum effort, and it's moving, so. What I do for the first like 5 or 6 minutes of repairing this, or any repair, I kind of see where my tool can actually reach. So I've gone all the way down as far as here. I've gone to see what it's actually pinched, and I can get pretty much right to this high area, but my tool can't get into this location. So I'm gonna have to get a different approach, maybe a whale tail. There's probably a brace right in that area. So because I know that, I don't have to spend any time in that area. So I'm just gonna work out what I can actually get on right now. So you probably see the scratches, but I'm gonna kind of lift this dent up first and then buff the scratches out. I don't want to kind of try to buff deep into the dent. So I just give it a nice lift, kind of bring it up level with the door, and then I'm gonna buff it real quick so I can see. So that looks about level. Level right there. All right, time to buff. So, Milwaukee buffer. probably stand from my angle how we're looking at it.
Okay.
Kind of get where we're at right now. The light would be kind of right there. The light seems like, yeah. I see. Get ready to knock down this highway. Try to stay out of your way a little bit.
We rolling.
First time trying these ice boot tab. Let's see. Let's see if they pull. Woo. Pretty good. minimize the dent a lot. I'm tired of glue pulling, I'm about to start pushing, so.
Yeah.
Start pushing. Because that area is pretty tight. Let's see if I can get it with a wheel tail. This is the Ultra wheel tail that I like to use, FT08. You guys can see that? So FT08. Sweet. Alright guys, we just finished up the repair on the Civic and I want to show you what tool stood out the most on this repair. So initially I said the dent craft, pretty much I think it's called a door tool. They're very inexpensive. But the tool that I actually used for this repair was the PDR, I think it's a PDR Finesse 245 tool. So it was mainly because of that throw right there. Because it was high strength steel, it needed that pick. So this tool was probably the MVP for this particular repair. And then of course I used my blending hammer, my custom blending hammer that I use. And that's pretty much it. We use a little bit of glue, which is the stuffy glue gun. I like to go over the tools a little bit more. And then we tried the new square tabs from Kiko or Black Plague. I think Black Plague sells square tabs also, so which is this one right here. So this is the ice square tabs. I got them from Black Plague. I'm not sure if Kiko sells them either, but I think it's a joint venture with both of them.
Yeah.
So there we go right here. Alright guys.